Welcome back to the Symphony Hairs YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all how I pluck the hairline of our 30-inch jet black fiber units. Before we get to plucking, I want to show you guys how I get that widow's peak in the hairline, as most of our units on our social media have. This tutorial won't have a widow's peak in the hairline, but I just wanted to show you all how I create it. And the biggest thing here is you want to make sure that when you're creating your sections that they're even and there's symmetry. So I do the pluck, skip, pluck method, where you pluck first to create sections and then you create smaller sections within the larger sections you made. So I'll make about 3 or 4 sections and then focus on making the section smaller. You'll see. Right here, I'm emphasizing 3 sections that I made. I'm gonna make 1 more, so it'll be 4, and then I'm gonna go back and make smaller sections within each of them.
Lay back, let me show you what I do for it. Pull like the ballet in a new toy. Blow back, now we kissing in the food court. You the type that I would've skipped school for. This shit I got you on my mood board. I wanna live in your skin. When I jump out, you jump in. I fit all this in my plans. Same way I fit you in my plans. Love the fact that we just friends, and I hate that we just friends. Round 2, he want revenge. Over and over again and again. Can I really need somebody? Tell me you got somebody. I don't care about your body. Let the way you touch my body. From the back, get body. I never tell nobody. All I want is you, boy. All I want is you. All I need is you, boy. All I need is you. It's just me and you, boy. It's just me and you. I really need somebody. Tell me you that somebody. Damn.
Breaking up those larger sections just make it so easy to get a seamless look, and I just love how simple this method is for getting a more natural hairline on your unit. So as we can see, the right side is giving she's ready, but the left side is up next. So let's just get into that so we can complete the whole look. Here we go again. Same method on this side. 3 to 4 big sections, and then we break each of them up.
Only because you ain't here. Living in the air, dripping everywhere. Living in the air, dripping everywhere. Got that blue fever, cold as ice, so you can be up. You got that blue fever, cold as ice, so you can be up. Long as you're true leader, and not obliged, promise to please ya. If you're open fire, then it's treason. And I decide to go out swinging.
So I just repeat the same method on the entire left side, but I didn't include it because the process is very repetitive, and by now I'm sure you understand it. Off camera, I used a wax stick and hairspray, and right now I'm just using that hot comb to get it flat and sleek. Headed to being on fleek.
Situations, come on y'all, we look right, hey, but you gotta be smart.
Thank you all for watching, and let me know if you have any questions. Let me know your thoughts on my styling method. Try it out yourself and let me know if you found the widow's peak and the plucking tutorial helpful. Check out our previous video if you haven't. Till next time.